this guy which is on the phone now, he bug your line. Do you have another phone?
No, I don't have another phone.
Bro, I tried to help you. What are you doing? I tell you what, until you agree to stop doing this, until you agree to stop trying to sell me out, you won't talk to her again, you.
As you saw from the intro, Ghost is back and there is a lot of censored language towards the end of this video, but believe me when I say this scammer deserves every bit of it. When a scammer wants gift cards, there is no information to get from the scammer, no bank accounts, no addresses, no money mules to find, so I always try to steer the scammer away from gift cards at all costs. That's usually when Ghost comes in and yells and steals gift cards from the scammer. I'm just gonna let the video play out so you can enjoy hearing a scammer get screamed at by somebody they're afraid of. If you like content like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. It really helps these videos grow and reach new people that could potentially become a victim to these scammers. So thank you and enjoy.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. I had a missed call from this number. I was leaving a message.
This is the Mega Millions, all right? Could you please state your claimer's number for me, please?
Alice Margot.
Okay, could you please state your claimer's number?
Claimer's number. I don't know. Is that in the message?
Okay, and could you please state your first name and your last name for the recording purpose, please?
Yes. Alice Alice. And Margot is Margot.
Okay. And this is the first time you ever receiving a call from the Mega Millions?
Yes. I received a call earlier this morning.
Because what happened, this certified check should be delivered towards you from the last 8.5 months, okay? But because of we were trying to call you and send you several notification letters, didn't get a hold of you or any calls back. That is the main reason why I called you now to have you notified.
Hey, this is Alice.
Hello?
Yes, I just had someone on the phone.
Yeah, you just talked to me about. Remember, I talked to you about the delivery. You won the price selection.
I just talked to you.
Yeah, you just talked to me. So is everything okay? You're interested to get this taken care of?
Yes. What is this pertaining?
Okay.
I have dementia.
Can you repeat what you just said?
I have dementia, so I don't remember a whole lot.
Okay. Are you driving your car? Do you have a car you can drive?
No, but I have a car. I am not. I'm in my home. This is Alice.
Hello? Okay, we got disconnected. What were the problem? Did you hang up the phone?
No, I answered that other call. It's from the same number that I'm talking to you on, but it was somebody
Okay.
else.
You know that like whenever time someone in the United States going to receive over $180,000, you know that the government require IRS taxes, right?
Oh, here we go. Yes, I know the stupid IRS. They want some money, don't they?
Okay, because what I could see in here, they are saying that they have taken care of 99 percentage of taxes for you, so they just leave 1 percentage of taxes on your shoulder to being cleared. But it's not much as you think. You don't have to worry yourself, all right? What they are saying that you need to have your government issued claimers card in your position to go with your driver's license or even your government state ID or even your passport. All right. If you could go by the Walgreens, how long it will take you to go and head back home? How long it will take you?
Once I get in the car, it'll take me 3 or 4 minutes. It's not far at all.
Okay, wonderful.
Kind of thinking about trying to bring Ghost in.
Hello?
Uh, is this who
Yeah.
I was just talking to?
Yes, we get disconnected, all right?
This is not the same person.
Yes, this is Mr. David Parker.
No, this is not the same person. What is the package number?
Okay, it is 321-5453 US. Did someone called you?
Yes.
And what that person were saying to you?
He said that I need to hang up with you.
Don't answer that person because we're here trying to have the price package delivered at this afternoon, and we, all I told you, we at the finish line, okay?
I'm pulling into the parking spot.
So you're gonna go by the gift card shelf and look for the money pack scratch card.
Hello. Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you. The Google subscriber you have called is not available. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hey, call me back. I know you're on the phone with Alice. I want to help you. Call me.
Please leave a message after the tone.
Bro, call me back. Call me back. I can help you. If you don't call me, you're not going to talk to Alice again. Call me now.
Okay, we get disconnected, okay?
All right.
You got it?
Yes, I have it.
Okay. And what is the name of that one you have?
It's green dot debit card.
Hello?
David,
Hello?
look, I can help you. Okay,
Yeah.
I've been talking to Alice for a while now. I can help you. But if we can split the money, I will help you. I will help you get as much as you want from her. I don't know if you know this, but in her Bank of America on her computer, bro, she has a lot of money.
And who is you to Alice?
She doesn't know me. I received a random list of numbers and she was on there.
So what did you do? Scam? Do you scams?
I mean, something like that.
So you're a hacker?
Something like that. If you're down for it, I can help you.
What would you help me with?
Get the money.
What money?
Bro, the money in her bank. Did you even ask her how much is in her Bank of America?
No.
Oh my God, man. I want to show you.
There?
Let me figure something out, bro. I'll be in contact soon.
Yeah, Miss Alice, listen what's gonna happen because someone bugged your phone and this guy which is on the phone now, he bugged your line. Do you have another phone?
No, I don't have another phone. There's a what?
All right,
give me
give me the card number now.
I gotta get back in the house. Hold on. Somebody's calling again.
Yeah, don't answer. You don't answer.
All right, I'm in the house.
Okay, all right. Get the card in your hand so you can provide the numbers.
All right, hold on. It's in my purse. Hold on. What is that?
Someone is hacking the line.
Someone is hacking the line.
Yeah. Someone
So
on the
my
other
phone
side.
is hacked.
Yeah, there's a scammer at your phone there.
Oh my word.
Don't worry, I'm gonna let you get rid of.
Hold on. Oh my goodness.
All right.
Hold on. I'll call you right back. Bye-bye.
Get.
He actually tried to. Oh my God, he just sold me out. What? Okay, all right. I'm about to cuss him out now. Y'all, like I said, fair warning. When Ghost gets involved, there's usually some bad language.
Are you there? I hear you.
Hello.
Bro, I tried to help you. What are you doing?
Hello.
What are you doing? I tried to help you. Are you kidding me? I tell you what, until you agree to stop doing this, until you agree to stop trying to sell me out, you won't talk to her again, you.
That got my adrenaline going. I'm ready now.
Oh,
I don't know who this is.
Check. This is Alice.
Hey, hello, Miss Alice.
Yes. Who is this?
Okay. Did you get the card in your hand?
Yes, I have the card. Let me get it.
Okay. Give me the numbers of the card
bro,
now, Miss Alice.
bro. No, you're not talking to her. You're not talking to her. Anytime you call, trust
Hey,
me, every time you call until you agree to stop doing this, you're not gonna talk to her.
so
I'm
what
not
is the
playing, bro.
problem you're having, man?
You act like you have some power here, bro. I'm the one that's in the phone. I can cut the phone anytime I want to. You're not gonna talk to
I
her.
know, but remember, you explained something to me, okay? And we are working together. What is the problem
Oh,
you're
now
having?
we're working together. I told you, man. If you just find out how much money she has in her bank account, we can split all of that. The problem is I don't have any kind of Zelle account that I can send it to. I'm trying to get somebody to help me, and I will split it with you 50-50.
But that is what I'm trying to do.
You're
But
going for
every time I'm
you're
trying
going
to
for
talk with her, you
$500.
get on the phone.
$500. That's all you want. You're gonna if you just cooperate and stop trying to tell
Please.
her that that somebody's hacked her. You could get more than $500, bro. $500 is nothing.
So what do you want to do? Can you send me some money?
Yes, but I need you to help me.
What we gonna help you with?
Give me some kind of account that I can send it to. All right, that's
What,
literally it. I just need something that I can send this money to, bro. But I have to be able to trust you. I cannot do this if you
buddy?
don't.
If we're gonna do business, just be straight up, right? And we're not gonna be f***ed up. What can you do?
I'm in her Bank of America. Okay,
Hmm.
there. I can send money through her account. I'm also in her phone, so whenever I send the money, I can stop the notification from the wire transfer that goes to her phone. I just need
Oh,
somewhere to send it. Trust me,
oh,
if
oh.
I could do all of this by myself, if I had somewhere that I could send this money, I wouldn't even need you, and you wouldn't have any money to get from Alice.
What bank can you send this money to?
Uh, that's a good question. I don't know if it has to be Wells Fargo or, I mean, what is she, Bank of America, or if I can send it to any bank.
So why don't you give us your number so we can do business?
I
And
did.
just
I did. I even left you a voicemail. Nobody called me back. That's why I'm talking to you through her phone. I'm gonna hang up Alice's phone. I'll call you from mine.
all right.
I'm sorry for cussing whoever I called somebody a. I don't know who it was. I'm sorry for that. As long as we can work together, we're fine.
Buddy, listen, we're dealing with money. You're a hacker, I'm a scammer. We're talking about money. Fair is fair. I get 50%, you get your 50. We go from there.
We can do that.
That's nothing. I had a lot of account you can get.
Okay, we can do that.
That's what I do. That's what we do for a living.
All right. Okay, let me get a list together. I'll send you a list, and we'll go from there.
What did you need to do wire? Like account number, roadie number?
Yeah. Yep. I just need a name, account number, routing number, sometimes phone number, but not usually.
Oh, okay.
It just
I
depends
want to
on the
make sure
bank.
that this is straight because if this is straight, we can make food. And how will we send you money back to you?
Let's just get the money first, and then we'll figure that out.
All right, okay. But I want to make business straight. So
Facts.
if you use Cash App, Venmo, or stuff like that,
I'm scared to have it go to my account.
definitely I understand. These hackers don't have money put in their personal account. You want to go to jail?
Yeah, facts. That just leaves a paper trail.
So we use the clients to do these stuff. We, we had the personal clients, and we have them to get the money cleared, send it back to our runner.
Wait, so you use the people that you've what I guess scammed. You use them to help you?
Yeah, they're the one that we use most of the time with their account because they're personal. We trust them. We send them like 30,000 cash, and they send it straight back to us. So
Oh,
we had person like that we trust a lot. we know we send them this money, they won't run off with it.
Right, right.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because most time what we do, we just give them a little, like a 500, 1,000, just to make them up.
I knew all this, by the way.
Because they had cash for you, so you have to give them cash to feel good.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. For some reason, your phone is not your phone number is not coming up in my list. Let me hang up. I'll send you this phone number. I'll call you right back.
All right.
All right, bye.
Y'all, if you don't know, so Ghost, we did this whole 8-month bait with Andy Goldberg. We at the last video, the last time Ghost ever talked to Andy Goldberg, he actually walked me through his entire scam, the way that he begins it, all the way to the way that he works with his victims to keep funneling them money so they can live, because they drained the victim's bank account. So then they send them a little bit of money. Well, they send them a lot of money, but then they have them send a bunch of money to the scammer while they keep a little bit, just so they can get through. That's the way that works.